The third reason for a vision board in 2022, it's a daily visual reminder. Rewind and pull back again, selector. Yes, I did say visual reminder. Remember when I was talking about, for those that, get my words out, for those that have been listening to the podcast, and like y'all listen to all the episodes, for those that this might be your first time and you heard me in the beginning talk about visualization, one of the V in Savers, something that we do every morning, but this visual board that we're creating, it gives you a daily visual reminder of your goals, of your dreams, what it is that you're trying to achieve, what it is that you want to accomplish. It helps you every morning when you wake up. So I'm not going to lie. In 2021, I will wake up and just be mad. Bro, you just woke up. Why you mad already? Nah, that ends. So put that daily visual reminder somewhere where you can see it. Maybe take a picture of it. You're like, I don't want it. I need it. How can I have one board in multiple places? Thank you, Lord. Well, take a picture of it. Put it on your phone. Take a picture of it. Print it out. Well, I'm getting ahead of myself with some of the stuff you're going to need for this board. But another reason, it's a daily reminder, daily visual reminder of your goals and your dreams.